Good afternoon, students. Last class we are discussed about not-for-profit organization. This is three important methods of receipt and payment, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. The receipt and payment account, the recording the opening balance is cash is balance. Last month closing balance, this month opening balance. Okay, next one, receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account, receipt means debit side, payment account is receipt and payment account. Receipt is debit side, payment is credit side only. One important format, receipt and payment account, receipt and payment account of dash and dash year ending. Listen students, this one compulsory 5-mark question. Some entries you fill the format. Compulsory format question one accountancy in board exam. First one, to balance B by D. B by D means last month opening, last month closing balance. Last month closing balance, this month opening balance. Last month closing balance, this month opening balance. First entry, to balance B by D only you write. Listen students, receipt sides full and full income oriented content only. Payment is full and full expense outgoing only. Okay, listen, this concept everybody who understood means is this chapter sums is very easy only. Receipt side full and full income oriented content, payment side full and full receipt, full and full expense only you write. Next one, revenue receipt, subscription, entrance fees, some sports club entrance fees is income only. General donations income, grant in aid, sales of old newspaper is income, interest on investment income, dividend income, locker and rent received, sundry receipt. This revenue full and full revenue receipt, revenue payment is two content. Revenue receipt means full and full you write receipt side only. Next one, capital receipt. Life membership fees. Life membership fees means some gym or sports club is membership fees, annual membership fees, and fully payments that club is income only. Next one, donation for specific purpose and legacy and endorsement fund, sales of fixed asset, sales of investment, receipt for specific purpose of or fund, interest on specific fund and investment. Okay. Next, payment side, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is full and full liability only. Bank overdraft means bank you pay excess amount you received. Some bank is good opinion, customers means good opinion means that time only bank allow for overdraft, that is liability only. Next one, revenue payment, salaries, rent paid, electric charge, postage, rent and taxes, insurance, advertisement, telephone charges, entertainment expense and audit fees, repair, keep a ground and convenience charge and newspaper and periodical by office expense. This full and full expense you enter the payment side only. Listen students, this is very easy only. Okay, first you receipt side full and full, receipt side income oriented content only you write. Payment side full and full expense, office expense or capital payment. Capital payment means investment, fixed asset and repayment of loan. Next, last is one side is highest total, another side is lowest total. That time is One side is highest, the another side is lowest. That time is by balance C by D. You enter the figure balance C by D. Listen students, illustration 1, opening cash balance. Opening cash balance means you write only in receipt side. You write receipt side 18,000. Next one, entrance fees. Entrance fees is a income. Some sports club you pay entrance fees, that is income. Or some competitive exams you pay entrance fees. Next one, scholarship given. Scholarship given is what? Scholarship is given means outgoing. Okay, rent paid, outgoing. Next one, building purchase. Building purchase means expense. You write the payment side only you enter. Staff salary, expense, subscription received. You write receipt side. Okay, listen students, cash is full and full, income is receipt side, outgoing is payment side. That both sides is equal only. Both side means the payment side is 3,150,000. This side 15,300 is some shortage. Shortage means you even. Highest total means one important formula. Highest total means highest total minus lowest total means the answer is some insert figure amount. That is cash in hand is 15,300. 15,300, that is insert amount. That is a shortage amount. That time the 15,300 you write means both side equal only. Both side equal only. Listen students, this is very important sum. Everybody, one main concept means everybody you write your one important note. You follow this internal portion. This sum everybody note it down. Illustration 1. Next class I will discuss second one. Okay, listen students, receipt and payment means main concept is receipt means income, payment means expense. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one, new sum. Okay, thank you students.